Deal? Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. 真係乜都冇啦. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? I take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That home Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
Noodles! 2 for 1!
I'll take some, thanks.
Watch out. Hey, you! You hungry, huh? Come here! Best noodles for best prices, huh? You come here!
I never do anything bad, but my parents are There's something about gangsters.
Come on, let me show you around.
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
I care a bit about money.
Anything you need at the market, come talk to me.
Sounds good.
Thank you. Enjoy.
I see. What's the cheapest price you have?
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
Huh? 我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you.
Stop!
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Oh dear. Not very nice.
Get out of the fucking way, moron!
You should say you're sorry.
Oh, shit!
Not very nice.
Do you know who I am?
等唔到退休啦，周圍嘅事都變咗
Guys, I need your help!
已經追唔上啦。
Kill him! He needs to be killed! Fucking bitch! Let them do this to you! Kill him!
唔好打面啦，我教人食飯㗎。
Leave me alone, you fuck! It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! You little hire him to fuck you up! You fucking with the wrong crowd!
I'm gonna mash you!
Can somebody fucking kill him, please? I'm gonna kill you! Something! Dog Eye's gonna kill you!
Fuck Dog Eyes! Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay, but please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me!
Fuck! Hey, watch it.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But, sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad. And not only is it against
For God's
protocol...
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is,
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
What the fuck's going on?
Dog Eye shut up Winston's mother's restaurant tonight.
Winston, I just heard. Your mother?
She's fine. But 2 of our people were killed, and a couple customers were wounded. The police are there now.
Wait, he went after your family?
大佬, everyone's outside. 我哋隨時可以出發. Listen up! We're hitting his sweatshop on the waterfront. All his trucks move through that place. It's how he makes his money. I want it burned to the ground. Siwa runs the operation. Put that hum Gatan in the shadow grave.
Winston, are you sure about this?
Of course, I'm fucking sure.
Look, what's the chairman gonna say when he finds his warehouse floating in the ocean?
He's not gonna like it. But there's no way Dog Eyes walks away from this.
So burn the warehouse, but take Suwa alive. Put him to work for you, and give the chairman a bigger cut than he was getting from Dog Eyes.
Okay, do it. Bring him alive.
Right, boss.